Hey guys, 1v1 me Plug here, bringing you for the first time a tutorial how to make a Bukkit plugin. Today we are just like starting out and just letting you show some basic things. Okay, so here you have the project name, which for right now we'll do just tutorials because it's just simple doing that. Okay, now you might see TGRE. For right now, I'm just gonna do it like Java 7. Just works a bit better. Most of the times, if you may put it on the actual server, it sometimes doesn't work because the host just simply doesn't use Java 8. Okay. I'll check if it actually works, because this is not like the first time I'm making it like this. Searching crap bug. So you here see the source folder, which will be tutorial, and right now we're just gonna be simple. Like we can do 1v1 plug dot like something like this. It doesn't really matter what you put in. I don't really care. Okay, one sec. Dot 1v1 plug. It's not a. Okay, wait one sec. Why does it do this? 1v1 plug. Invalid name. It's not a Java. Oh wow. Hook. That's okay. That works. Pretty sure that's because it's not like a letter instead of the oh well. Okay. The outline I don't really use. Okay, you might hear some noise. That's just because I don't know where the fuck my mic is and all that shit. Okay, so you're gonna extend Java plugin in order to get it like loaded by Bukkit, because if you don't, it doesn't do anything at all. So you're gonna hover over this or use Ctrl-Shift-O so it automatically it imports. But with Ctrl-Shift-O it can auto import. Like if you have multiple things you need to import, you can just do that and it automatically imports stuff. Okay, so here you're gonna write public void on enable. To if you have commands, you can make another class. We can make it tutorial, and we're gonna write implement command executor, so it will be registered as a command, which is very simple to do. You're gonna hover over this. This you can do with Ctrl-Shift-O. You need to add unimplemented methods. Now, for my what I usually do is I'm putting shortcuts at everything. Like command center, you do CS. No, please do not change that to player, because that wouldn't simply work. Now I think this is label. Never use label because it's just a bit you can do it, but I prefer to do it with CMD. Yeah, it's pretty much the same, just a bit easier. So this will just actually get the command name instead of a alias if you use them. So you're gonna type cmd get name equals ignore paste. This will search for the actual command name you want to give it, and it just ignores all the caps. Even if it's with caps or without, it works completely. So we're gonna type in tutorial. Now for right now we're gonna make it extremely simple by doing cs send message chat follow dots volt, I guess, Oh yeah, make sure if you're using Spigot for this, always import from Bukkit, because I have no idea what the other one does, but it doesn't really work that well. 1v1 hug tutorial 1. Okay, so what this code does, it sends the player or the console a message with a gold chat color, which sends the message in the gold color, which makes a lot of sense, and then it sends them this message: 1v1 mepug tutorial 1. Okay, so we can close that now. And now, for how do you get the command registered? Well, you simply type get command tutorial, in this case, set executor new tutorial. And yes, why do we do this? Because this is a simple method, and like if you had it in the main class, you wouldn't have to do this. But just to keep it all organized, we're gonna do it like this. And the executor is like, it's how do you explain this? The executor is like the class where the actual command is, yeah, like coded in. So you see this class tutorial, you simply put it like new tutorial, which will listen for the command in that class. So it loads like the code from this if you type the command. Okay, it might be overcomplicated what I just said, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so you're gonna make a new file with the name plugin.yml. So for the name, we're gonna do 1v plug. Well, why not? Tutorial. Version number always has to be imported. So we're gonna do 0.1 main. Okay, this is where you have to look very closely. So you see package pug tuts dot main. Correct. Yeah, you need to first get the package name. So this will be pugtuds, and now here you see the class name, which is called main. Now you need to type commands, and you do simply type in tutorial and a small description to tutorial command juan. Okay, now I'll show you also what you could do for, like, if you want a command listening like at a other name, you type in aliases. For example, the plugin would be for essentials. You do they make the basic command with tutorial, and they do tutorial or tut etut. All works. Yeah, you also need to be very good at looking, because sometimes if you don't put it in the right order, it sometimes has some problems, and also with tabs. That's a issue with YML files. Okay, now we're gonna refresh this, and we're gonna export Java jar file. Now we're simply gonna look for a simple server with like nothing in it. Okay, tutorial should work fine anyway. If you give me a second, desktop. Yes, that's just a simple copy of the spawn of the Archon, just for fun. Okay, sorry for the extreme noise right now, that's just something I just can't help. It's probably because I have like all these things open. Okay, now we're gonna search for that one. Okay, right now FPS is probably. Yeah, Camtasia requires a lot, but it's fine. Should be good now. Yeah. Okay, so what we do is /hut. Yeah, and it says 1v1 we put tutorial 1. Oh, fuck. Got to, oh well. Doesn't really matter. No big deal. Okay, that was really dumb for showing my Skype, but oh well. Yeah. If you have any ideas for what to code on the next time, please leave a comment, and I see you guys later.